This video is to show you what comes in the package for the Gero pistol hanger racks. They're easy to install, and this is a 5-pack in this box. So I'd like to show you what comes in the box and the way that I use them. Okay, so here is one of the racks. It is heavy duty steel coated with plastic. Let me resituate this here. And I'd like to give you a dimension so you have an idea. It is 10 inches long and 5 inches on each side for the hangers. Now, the way I like to use these is if you do not have a safe, the best way to do this is find a shelf, and personally I like the bottom. It's behind a door. It's on the bottom shelf. You simply take your handgun, whether it be a revolver, and you simply slide it in through the barrel, and as you can see, it just hangs there. So again, you just take the barrel and slide it in and hang it. So that is my system. So this is where I keep my towels, in my closet. And if, like I said, if you don't have a safe, this is probably one of the best ways to do it. I just have an old towel here hanging, and it kind of covers it up, but that's where my towels are, so it looks like I've just pulled one off the rack. Just saying, it's probably, if you don't have a safe, probably one of your best bets, then top shelf. So again, that's the Gero pistol hanger racks. Stay prepared for an emergency. Vinyl coated. They do not hurt your gun whatsoever, and they are space saving. So again, thank you for watching. Have a nice night.